The company currently has more than 30 advanced punching and forging machines, 14 CNC processing equipment, 5 laser marking machines, 4 polishing production lines and 6 full inspection and packaging lines. It has complete mold design and manufacturing capabilities and is led by elite backbones with more than 30 years of experience in the industry. It realizes automated manipulator operation, online automated product control, and IE technology application, LED signboard operation at the production site.